Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi adapter problems in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type Device Manager and hit enter. In this new window, select your network adapter and scroll down and select Network Adapters. Identify your wireless adapter. In this case is Intel 82574L gigabyte network connection. Right click and select update driver. Select the first option, search automatically for drivers, one click. And if you receive any setup or wizard, click on next install, and you receive this message. The best drivers for your device already installed. Click on close and repeat this process in all network adapters. Right click, update driver, select the first option and click on next install. Click on close and repeat for all. To apply the change, close this window and restart your computer. Go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart. Login in your desktop. And your problem has been fixed. You can try open any web browser, in this case Google Chrome, and check any web page, in this case select YouTube. If your problem persists, you can try open the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. Click on the reset now button and confirm in yes. If you receive a new window pop up, click on close and restart your computer. Go to the start menu and click on restart. Login in your Windows. And this is all. Confirm your network configuration for home or work. In this case, I use no. And you can try open up any web browser and check for your internet work properly. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.